How to slow down YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can slow down YouTube Shorts. Now, let's get started. So the first thing is open up your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, just go to any shorts that you want to slow down.
Here's a super e
So let's say I want to slow down this short. So what do? First, I like this video, or I just tap on these three dots on the top right and save it to watch later or any playlist. Now after doing this, go back, go to your profile and go to watch later. So as you can see, I just set this on my watch latest playlist. Now
here's a super easy tech here's a super easy tech
open it up, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now here you can say playback speed, tap on it. Now you can slow it down.
you can use to make your videos.
You can see the YouTube short has been slowed down. So it's basically that simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget